What's going on, boaters? We just got in a fresh new trade, 2023 MasterCraft X26. This boat only has 445 hours on it. It still has a lot of life left in it. Let's go check out some features. Starting off in the back, you have your flip down swim step, easy access for getting in and out of the water. You have your two transom seats in the back, nice to enjoy when you're parked swimming. You also get your transom audio control, so you don't have to get in and out of the boat to adjust your music. With this being a 26-foot boat, you're gonna have lots of seating in here, lots of room for your family and friends to come and join you for a full lake day. Another cool feature is you do get your fridge. Keep all your drinks and snacks in there, or you can put them in a cooler as you have a built-in cooler as well. You have a nice passenger seat. You can have it flipped the backrest that way, or flip it backwards and you and your co-captain can be facing forward at all times. You have your two screen displays along with your soft touch buttons so you can empty and fill your ballast. Coming towards the front, you're gonna have your wind block door so you can close it off so when you're coming back from the restaurants at night, you can stay nice and warm. In the bow, you're gonna have a nice big bow to hang out in. You have your bow filler cushion. You can keep that in or take it out. If you wanna see more on this boat, come check it out at MarineMax Nisswa or visit it on our website at MarineMax.com.